Yes, welcome back, and we are going to continue the previous topic only. Previous session continues, that is, we are under SAP functional areas. Okay, almost logistics completed, finance module completed, HR also explained in detail, whatever the required modules stuff. Okay, if anything I missed out, I will cover here and there in the missing part. In the revision also, I will cover it. So if you look at here, overall, we have completed the major modules brief. Okay, if you look at this picture point of view also, uh, finance module, HR modules, AWAP and basis brief we will discuss later. So SD and CRM also we will cover. SD already explained, CRM we will talk later. Customer relationship management, which deals with mostly like catch the customers, sell the product to the customer, and retain relationship with the customer. That is the concept of CRM. Relationship, maintaining relationship with the customer. Okay, right. This is all about our topic. So we are going to, yes, almost HR and finance modules are there. Then finally, we will go with integration modules, yes, functional areas, like integration part we are going to discuss now. Yes, right. How they are integrated closely also we will discuss. So first, right, I am okay. Time being, okay. I am going back to the again ERP concept. Now, once I revise it, you will understand this time perfectly. Because I told you, okay, yes. What did I say? Yes, I will draw a picture, then you will understand that. Suppose if you consider, right, if you consider a company first, right, this is a company, right side, we have, yes, we are naming it as a, yes, lot of names I use it here. So one way is company, that is core company or industry specific company, right? So now this company is a client for us, client or customer for us. Okay, right. So whenever I said a company, company is having head office, branch offices, and plants also. So again, I am going to cover here lot many things. What are all the things? First, again, the similar concept comes into picture. So finance department is must and mandatory to handle the cash in cash out activity. HR department responsible is three major activities: recruit the people, maintain timesheets, and perform the payment on the timely basis. That is processing salaries to them. That is the main important activities of the HR department, the finance department, and HR department. Then again, we have a okay, sales, and we are combining to the distribution also, delivery and all. It is we are combining here. So the sales department, delivery department activities are handled. Yes, yes, this is one thing, right? There is a kind of IT information system is also there, because this is also a separate department is there, right? Completely, right. Next, so this is mostly more or less, if you go to the corporate building or administrative building, it could be a 5 floor or 5 level building. Yes, like you will find all this. major department, and one more department you will find it as a marketing department. This is our R&D department. Yes. These are all already I explained in the previous topic only. Again, revising in other way around. Suppose we will go to the first in the plant. We come across purchase department. So purchase department comes with first topic. First is to this. This is what next? Purchase is related with storage location, storage department. Then actually the factory or manufacturing. Okay, manufacturing, yes, happens. Yes, manufacturing department is this. This is there. And finally, once the manufacturing happens, the end product will be placed at a warehouse, go down. That is the final place. Okay, is where the uh, product is kept over there completely. Okay, so these are all a big picture. I already explained. Again, I am writing. Right. If you consider a customer. A customer could be, if you write a customer called as Sony comes in electronic division or Sony Enterprise, or if you consider the automobile industry, automotive industry, Benz Motors, Mercedes Benz or BMW Motors, any international brands, Ford Motors, you can take it, consider. So the core industry companies, any company you take it, more or less. So if you consider a final, what is our final statement? Company, company is a hmm, company is a collection of department. Okay, several departments. First statement. Next, okay, yes. What will be the next understanding? Each department, each department has its own unique operations. Okay, operations. That is the next level. Department name is different, purpose is different, functionality is different. So, department activities, department department wise activities are going on daily. Those activities we call it as, yes, business activity, department wise business activity, or else I told you the business operations. Okay, or else in SAP we call it as business scenarios. All are similar meaning only. All are same. Okay, all those stuff. Yes. More or less department wise. I told you payment or payment collection, recruitment is a activity. Even maintaining time sheets and processing payroll, sales, delivery, and marketing, purchase, all are department wise activities are going on. Hope, yes, this is, I gave one company example. There are thousands and lakhs of companies are there in the globe with respect to different industries, different, okay, kind of domains also we call it as industry specific or domain specific. There are many companies are there. Right. Now, what exactly the like this particular solution? Okay, these companies are, let us try to understand first what is the why we need SAP to this particular company. First of all, if you go to the departments, okay, yes, each department name is different, right? Like suppose this is a kind of old company, 10 years, 25 years, 50 years, sometimes 100 above years old companies are there. So any company begins with company Okay, you have to understand. Company begins operations. Company operations, that is department wise operations. Operations begins with first one is manual activity. Manual or automation. Two words we call it as. Okay, yes, automation. What exactly the difference? Manual activities are nothing but, okay, all like olden days, we used to issue the manual bill by if you purchase something, they used to write one carbon copy are two carbon copies. One they will issue one copy. They will issue to the customer one copy. They will keep it to the filing for our internal accounting purpose. Okay, that is manual style of file maintenance, or ledgers maintenance, or accounts maintenance, or manual bills. This is very old style. Okay, manual, but generally, companies nowadays uh, realizing that manual style is tracking is very easy. If you want to search for a particular bill, it will take a lot of time. You have to files are kept under folders. Folders are kept under some kind of almaras and all. So where exactly the file maintenance, older style of manual file maintenance is a kind of hectic, tedious process to maintenance purpose, searching purpose, and to extract purpose, analysis purpose. Everything is time taking and time consuming also. If you go with a old style of files maintenance, okay, yes, correct. Suppose worst case scenario, if something happened to the company, the files are missed, the files are damaged for any reason. Okay, something happened, the water came into that low room, your files you cannot retrieve it, or some fire incident happens, you cannot retrieve the files again. So there is a threat always if you go with a old style of maintenance, file maintenance. Nowadays all companies realized the importance of automation. Automation, the other term is called as computerization. That is, okay, computerization. That is, almost initially the company may running in a manual activity in each department, but at one stage they are going to replace these. Suppose computers came into evolved in early 80s and 90s. Okay, also from year 2000 onwards, mostly we will find wherever you go, you purchase a simple item also, they are started issuing the computer bill. Nowadays everywhere more digital payments, more digital scanners, we are at a very advanced level, right? So everything is simplified, tracking is easy, payments also, payment tracking also, for company point of view easy, customer point of view is also. So the computers evaluation changed the entire industry dimension, society dimension, market dimensions, customer dimensions. It changed like anything. That's why it is actually simplified. Whatever the limitations of the old manual things, that is, when you go for IT software purchase, computer purchase, what is the advantage of computer purchase? Computers are advantage is that one time you feed your data, that remains forever. Even 24/7, computer doesn't require a rest or relax. As and when required, you can retrieve it. It will quick and fast response. The tracking is easy, analysis is easy, and report generation is easy. Comparison is easy, and moreover, the data available in soft copy, the data sharing or sending to other partners are also easy. Data protection is also easy. So these are all the manual is replaced by computers or automated. So automation of the company is nothing but Automation happens with what? First step is either desktop systems or laptops to be purchased and issued to each department. Correct? Then after that, what next? Only hardware purchase doesn't suits. Then the question arises, what is the suitable software for their department? Suitable software for the department. Suppose in the finance department, they understood that what are the, because there are two questions to the company. Is there any ready-made solution is there? If ready-made is not there, end-to-end solution, they go for the customized solutions. In olden days, what happens, like if you look at the finance department, they used to work with Tally, Wings, Focus, and all. These are all the kind of famous finance, uh, okay, finance related activities can be done by using Tally software. Tally is proven at FI department. It provides solutions to that. Suppose we are just for sales activity. Just assume that for sales activity we are using a kind of .NET application. Okay, for sales we are using .NET application. For HR people, they are still at their only maintenance everything in Excel and Word. Just assume a scenario. I'm giving one live scenario. Excel or Word, MS Excel, Microsoft. Correct? Then the purchase department or procuring process is happening in Java. Right. So that means if you look at, like I specified different departments, and all departments we have software. But the problem in software is, different softwares are available in the IT market. Every software is proven at one place. If you go to the Tally, the intention of development of Tally is only for accounts purpose. It cannot be used for other purposes. Correct? That's why it is good at one area. On other hand, it is also have limitations. It cannot be. It doesn't suits for the other area. MS Excel, you can do kind of data maintenance formulas and all. Data maintenance purpose it can be used. You cannot run entire organization by using only either .NET application or Java application or Excel or Tally and all. .NET through Microsoft proven technology, latest demand one, but it provides application for the small level application. .NET through you cannot give end-to-end solution of a large size company, not possible. Even the Java also proven at a lot of areas, but it cannot provide end-to-end solution for a large size companies. So this is one of the software's advantage versus limitation. Hardware purchase, software purchase also happening. What happens? Company is running like this. Companies are lining each department independent software they are using. This is the way company currently running. If they run this type of different softwares, what are the plus versus minus, what are the advantages versus limitations, we will discuss. First of all, like company can run, they want to automate, yes, they are automated, they are using these applications, yes, but we have to look at the, yes, limitation of, yes, okay, limitations. We cannot write the disadvantage word, limitations of usage of usage of multiple or several applications, several softwares. That means what? Within a company, several software within company is one, our company, but different departments. But within company, different software applications are there. That is called as hetero, okay, genius. That is It is not homogeneous. It is heterogeneous, means several different applications. If you go with different applications, first and foremost problem arises is integration issues are arised. Integration issues. What are kind of integrations? Suppose if you send the data in Java format, the other system, other department may not understand. Or if they send in dotted format to you, you may not understand. Or if they send with Excel, you cannot. Excel also have limitation. Or if you say their accounts, the related information, you cannot understand. First, there is a question comes: why we have to understand the other department activities? That is next question arises. Because see, you have to understand one thing. Whenever we say company company operations or activities are related or connected, interconnected or interrelated. This is the word you have to understand. That it is not like, because company is one. So I am going back to the ERP concept, which already I explained in other things. So if you go to the first topic of ERP, yes, enterprise means company, these are all the modules. Now you correlate that materials, machines, PM, methods, methodologies and processes, standard operation procedures, money, manpower and marketing activities and all. Okay, it could be CRM and SD, right? So planning strategies, how to utilization, already I explained. Right, next, if the company owner sets a higher level goal, that goal is applicable to all employees, because all employees collective efforts result only the common goal can be achieved. So the employees to be integrated. So there are two types of integration, means connectivity, combining. So people integration, process integration. I told you people integration is very easy. You can address them under a conference room at a physical gathering, or else virtual gathering in a Microsoft Teams, otherwise Google Meet session or Zoom sessions through, you can address them. People integration, combining, and you can explain your goals. You guys need to work hard. This year by year, month wise tracking, every quarter wise tracking, all concepts can be we can explain to our company employees. But the problem arises is process integration, software integration. Because if okay, if the people are not integrated, what will happen? Company cannot achieve the common goal, because everyone think that they're acting like an independent department. No, it is not. Okay, final goals cannot be achieved. That's why company, it's whenever I said a company, it is not one department, it is not one employee, it is not one man show. It is many departments, many people, many activities. Everything is lot of manpower, lot of marketing strategies, lot of methods, lot of machines, lot of materials. Everything is N, not one. If lot of many things are there, 100% you need to have a planning strategies how to make utilization of that. Right. That means if I go back to the this one same slide only. Suppose what is happening in the purchase department must be known to the production department. Production details are known to the sub. Okay, next department is called as warehouse department. And what is happening in all this department must be known to the FI department or HR department, even sales and distribution. Because yes, this is the very important thing is, okay, because yes, activities are integrated, I said. Integrated. That is, which activities department wise, okay, department wise activities are integrated, interrelated. Suppose we call it as, okay, current activity, okay, always have preceding, yes, this is important, preceding and preceding activity. Preceding means it comes with before. The current before is preceding. Preceding activity is the previous one. The previous to current. Current to the next level is called as, yes, proceeding activity. Proceeding activity. So that is proceeding means after. Preceding means before. Simple business words. Okay. So in a company, always activities are goes like this. Always activities are integrated and interrelated like this. Suppose, example I will tell you. If we feel like, if suppose there is no stock at a storage department, then there is no manufacturing takes place. If no manufacturing, no quality checks, no warehouse stocks, no sales, no marketing, company goes into negative loss finally, right? If stocks are there, then the manufacturing happens, quality checks happens, warehouse filled with stocks, finally the marketing happens, sales happens, company is into profit. So I explained profit scenario, loss scenario, two things. And moreover, this how I said one department activities are integrated, interrelated means, suppose I told you, if there is no manufacturing, first there is no stock, there is no work for the other departments. Correct? Other departments are getting affected immediately. That means one department activity is affecting or relating to the other department activities, isn't it? This is the way you have to understand that all are interrelated. Department activities are interrelated. Yes. So that means if we are at the current department, we have to know what is my previous activity, what is the subsequent activity. Proceeding activity is called as next activity or subsequent activity also. Preceding or proceeding activities are very, very important. So, okay, clear? Yes. Like if no manufacturing, no stocks, other department people doesn't have any work to do. They're simply sitting idle. That is, it is literally waste of our time, money, energy, effort, everything. That is, that's why you want to keep everyone as active and busy. Company to should turn into what is that? Company should turn into profit mode. Then what we have to do? We have to go for the all departments have, yes. Okay, yes. So example, I will tell you. Few other integrated scenarios, I can give you example. Suppose if the payment is delayed to the vendor, we will go and verify at finance department why the payment is delayed. If the payment receiving payment is delayed, we will send the customers remaining mails also. That is one thing. Next, HR people are processing payroll properly or not, anybody can verify it. So for that purpose also people to be integrated, departments to be integrated. Like another another integration concept I can tell you. Yes, because the sales people want to verify the warehouse stock. Warehouse stock, what they have to, because they are sitting at administration building, but the actual stock is there at the plant level. Then how they verify? this department using one software, this department using another software. There is no integration between these departments. They have to call or they have to go there physically and do the physical stock check. That is time consuming and all. Because software integration is not there. That is just to know the stock availability or availability checks. Okay. So there is a gap. That is okay. If you go with different departments also, all people should be integrated. Collectively, they have to work. For that, it is not only people integration, software integration is must. But if we go with different softwares, the what happens? Okay, if we go with yes, the integration issues arises when company uses different different softwares in different departments right. This is what the major concerns of all top level companies there are. So what exactly the solution for that? Solution to avoid the call out companies for what exactly the solution they want to come out of that. They are facing a daily issue, the integration issues they are facing. They are unable to track the company is in the profit side or loss side because they are using lot of different softwares they are um, using. That is the limitation. They are looking for a solution. So solution is ERP ERP software implementation. ERP software implementation only the solution. Yes, what is the advantage of ERP software is ERP software, yes, ERP software, enterprise resource planning software provides end-to-end solution. Already I have written, once again I am written. End-to-end meaning is what? That is from logistics beginning to logistics end, finance beginning to end, HR, that is all departments. You talk from plants to branches, head office, everything, all international sales and all international branches, everything, all, yes, all, what is that? Office versus plants. Okay, can be or else next what? All office means all departments. Simply we can call it as okay related. All departments can be used by usage of single software. That is okay, single software. ERP software, ERP's concept says that remove remove all other ERP softwares. That means non-ERP softwares, other non-ERP softwares. That is remove means you replace. Okay, that is the best practice. Yes, replace all other non-ERP softwares with ERP softwares or by ERP softwares. Okay, this is the intent. So because what is that? ERP provides end-to-end solutions and as well as end-to-end integration also. End-to-end integration. Lot of advantages are there after implementing the ERPs. So what are the advantages Advantages to the company also you have to know. Yes, advantages to company. Yes, like if you consider the most ERP leader is SAP. ERP leader is SAP. So we are coming to SAP implementation. Let us talk on SAP implementation. So SAP implementation, how it is going to benefit to the company, we have to talk now. Yes. So what happens? We are going to change the dimensions now. That is, SAP is a one-stop solution. You just remove the tally, go for FICO software. Remove Excel, go for HR, HCM, SAP HR module. Yes, .NET also remove, not required. Java application also you remove. Any other non-SAP softwares you are removing, just cut down the cost, remove the cost, replace everything. Because, yes, now we are going back to the previous topic that is called as SAP introduction. Yes, and now left side I am going to write the SAP software. Right, right. If you look at, okay, SAP software point of view, yes, SAP is a product based company. From SAP Easy or SAP SE through SAP software evaluated, this is already told you. So if you say SAP, it is what? It is a kind of software. What is there inside the SAP software? In SAP software inside, you will find so many programs or reports, you will find it. Okay, then you can find a lot of tables, views, data element domains are there, and moreover lot of function modules are there, and a lot of, okay, classes are there, global classes are there, and moreover lot of forms are there, lot of forms. So if you look at any software, then the very important thing actually I forgot is there is a lot of screens are there, because we have to write. Yes, even function module before, screens and menus are there. Yes, screens, kind of different types of screens, majorly business related screens. So this is about your SAP software inside stuff, because this is I am covering with respect to technical dimension. Okay, this is technically, yes, technical dimension. If anybody sees what is there in SAP is, SAP is a collection of so many many programs, many tables, many view screens, many, there are multiple things are there. Yes, but now we will see the functional dimension of SAP software, understanding the same software in different dimension. Yes, what exactly that? So here, in whenever you said SAP, there is a first and foremost module or area comes as a FI, FI or CO, finance, FICO, we called FICO or FICO, yes, FICO. This is one of the module. Then HR or HCM is the module. SD is the module. And you have that ABAP and basis is the another areas or other modules you can call it as. Then what next? If you go with the CRM, which deals with the marketing department, if you go with MM and IM is there, okay, then again PP and PM is there. PP or PPC, you can call it as. Then after that, you have QM, QM, and as well as WM, like that. So you are already familiar with that particular this thing. Now you are getting slowly clarity, finally connectivity. So now quality department, right? Yes. So now SAP functional point of view, it is a collection of many modules. So if you look at here, these are all modules or application areas or functional areas. So whenever I said SAP, SAP primarily is a collection of these modules only. Because SAP is a business software, so this modules comes into picture first. If you look at right side company, company is a only collection of kind of different departments only. Yes. So this is the way you have to understand how SAP proven ERP software is going to address the one organization, one enterprise issues, how it is going to support or address those issues also you have to understand. Now, suppose all finance department business activity, business operations can be handled by a single module called as SAP FICO. Right, this is the final connectivity. So this FICO is going to address all finance related. Yes. HR module provides complete solution of the HR department activity. SD is the module which provides all sales activities can be configured, can be automated. Okay. Yes, right side physical activity happening, left side same activity we can do it through the software also. Yes, all programming related reports and all you can develop it by using ABAP also, screen development and all. Basis they do security services, many activities are there. We'll cover this topic later. So suppose CRM provides them all marketing solutions because in SD marketing is missing. That's why CRM came into that to handle the sales marketing at MM is module which provides end-to-end solution of all procurement or purchase department activities. PPPM is manufacturing related. QM is solution for the quality department. WM is the solution for WM. Right. Right. So now you try to understand overall SAP software. SAP software is providing all these things. Right. One-stop solutions. Okay. Eliminate all tally you eliminate, not required, Excel not required. Remove all. Only SAP is enough. What is there inside SAP? 50 above modules are there like that. I introduced these modules. Modules names, full forms and modules cycles, modules flow also. Just in the previous session and more previous sessions I covered. Correct? So now, yes, I'm going to address it. How this is going to be the best solution. Integration part. Yes, integration is that. Because earlier limitations now you can overcome. One company, yes. See now what happens? Advantages of ERP is this. First, one company, company is one. But next what? All departments, all departments using single software, unique software. Okay, yes, unique software. Then what happens? Right, lot of advantages are there. First of all, tracking is easy because integrated, because of this integration. Okay, yes, all departments departments data is closely integrated. So SAP, the main highlight feature is this integration part. Yes. So suppose if you want to, if you implement once just like all departments SAP modules, what happens to check what is the stock position is there or not at you can log on to the plant and check the stock position. Even the SC, yeah, this sales people want to check the warehouse stock position also. They no need to call them, they no need to go there physically, and time waste, money waste, efforts waste. They simply log into the plant and check the warehouse stock position, because there you are saving lot of things: energy, time, money, effort, everything. So even all departments are closely integrated. Okay, a lot of advantages are there by using this integration. ERP concept main advantage is that's why this is a proven strategy in the industry. Companies are interest, lakhs of companies, 4 lakhs above customers are there for SAP. 4 lakhs above customers are already using SAP, and few other customers are in queue. They are also ready to purchase SAP software, and they want to go with SAP. They want to continue journey with SAP because of this global external proven features, extended features. Okay, because the main feature of powerful feature of SAP is integrated. What is integrated? Just like company departments are integrated, SAP. Okay, yes, SAP is all modules are integrated. All modules are integrated. So this is the, just like a, it is a kind of, all issues, all integrated issues are resolved, kind of just like a one-stop solution. Okay, yes, that is the major advantage. But to overcome that and remove that, it is a, you have to spend money, invest money towards SAP software purchase and implement. It is a one-time investment. After implementing SAP, the user's business process runs smoothly. Advantage of ERP slash SAP. Directly I'm coming to SAP. First advantage is that, yes, so company operations, department wise operations, yes, department wise operations, okay, running smoothly. Okay, smoothly means what? There is no hurdle, there is no this thing, because employees are relaxing, because there is a less work. One time they will feed, rest of the things system takes care. Okay, they have enough time, extra time. And moreover, the tracking easy means if one person is on leave due to that reason, this production is late, delayed. The tracking between department to department also become easy. Okay, because one activity is delayed, subsequent activities also delayed. But which activity at which stage, this is, suppose we committed one date to the customer that we, and so and so date we will deliver the product, but the delivery is delayed. You want to track it. Why the delivery is delayed? Somebody says manufacturing is delayed. Why manufacturing is delayed? Storage, we did not get the right time this product from the vendor. So we'll go with vendor level. Why the vendor delivered delayed? Because you can question and track, and tracking, because you can track progressively, successively towards positive. You can track in a reverse engineering also. You can do it. Reverse tracking is also can be do. Forward approach, backward approach. Tracking from left and right is very easily possible after implementing ERP and SAP. So we can give 100 reasons the advantage of implementing SAP. That due to these many reasons, companies are more interested to go for ERP first and SAP next. Okay, I am going to, because in my course, to make you to understand, I am going to draw many pictures, multiple pictures. You also draw it. That when why I am going to write it, I can simply show a slide show, but a slide through you may not understand the slide flow. That's when I draw some picture. I'm expecting that you are also connected with me. You are going to write okay these pictures. Suppose in SAP what happens? In SAP the data is placed, central data is there. Data is kept at central data. So this central data, yes, this is your overall SAP software, right? SAP software. Yes. So in SAP software, there are several modules are there. If you go to, I write here as MM module. If I go to SD module, here I wrote to SD module. If I go to PP module, PP or PM module, if I write it as a CS module, if I write it as a WM module, if I go for F5 module here, and if I go for HR module here, like that. So I can write a few other things also. All modules data is not stored at a department level. HR data is stored centrally, finance data is stored centrally, WM data stored centrally, customer tracking, production planning data, SD data, MM data. All modules data is stored centrally. So this is central data storage. Advantage is tracking is very much easy for this. This is one of the integration picture, correct? And another picture also you can see, that is nothing but, if you look at here, first step is what we have written as a company business process, right? So we have mm, okay, if you write it, this is your company, uh, company business process, business activity. Correct. First step. So this business process, all business process can be handled by using SAP modules. SAP functional modules is the are going to provide the solution. So many modules, okay, modules are providing. So first step is the business process from customer. SAP is providing solutions by using functional modules. Functional modules through we are going to provide a solution, because one is technical, second one is functional end. I said when you go to this programs tables and all, so FI is also having program table screens and all, HR also have program screens and all, every module is also have that. Through these many things we are going to address the customers concerns and customer activities. So if you look at the finally what happened, see the company business processes can be handled by using SAP technical and functional. But functional modules comes into first, SAP technical areas comes next. This is what the uh, overall you have to see. Under technical, you come across ABAP and basis. Always initial first, when you say SAP, first priority is business functional models or business model, and later our technical models comes into picture. Okay, this is our okay another type of introducing the dimensions. Let us stop this session also, we will continue later. Okay, thank you.